Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek app you click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window or this application of Deepseek. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Deepseek. You will click here. Then you will uninstall your app and you can install it again.